Hi and good morning from Voss. Yes, I'm still in Voss. I booked an extra night at a hotel because my bike is in the repair shop. I have no clue if they are going to be able to fix the broken spoke. And I just called my shop where I bought the bike, in fact, and they said they had heard of similar problems with the wheels. So when I get back home, I get a completely new wheel set, which is all very nice, but I am about 1500 from home and I can't continue really. So for now I'm going to go and have a little walk outside of the city to the Bordalsgjelet, or something that sounds even remotely similar, which should be a very nice small gorge not too far from the city center. Alright, yeah, there's a gondola going up there, paragliders. So apparently Voss is the adrenaline capital of Norway, and yeah, there's some junkies out there. Not for me, not in a billion years. That water has got to be cold. So it's also the last warm day, so it's the 30th of June, and I think today is going to be 25 degrees. But if I look at the weather forecast for pretty much the whole of Norway, I can find it's going to go down to 12-15 degrees and rain for the next foreseeable future really. Yeah, so that's why I've just decided that I will be going home, which is not easy at all. I just cannot go and take a train and boat and stuff, because yeah, some of the ferries that I would be taking are fully booked. Yeah, so it's going to be a hell of a puzzle really. And also, if I can't cycle, if they really can't fix the wheel, or they say, oh, you need a new rear wheel, which I'm not going to do. I'm not going to spend hundreds of euros on a wheel that I'm going to have replaced soon anyways. Yeah, a lot of food for thought, but for now I'll just go and have a little walk, see if that calms the mind a little bit. Well, in the background there's already a lot of noise because this is apparently extreme week or extreme sports week. As I said, Voss is apparently the adrenaline capital of Norway, so I'm sure they have all kinds of activities here. It was quite loud until very late in the morning with all kinds of, well, I couldn't say disco music, could I? That would really make me old. Loud music, anyways. Right. River crossing and bridges. It's even in German. We can take an example to this. They've neatly put it in English and even in German as well. And you know, if you're a tourist in Holland, quite often the information is only in Dutch, which funny enough not many people speak. So yep, something we can improve on. Oh, that's dangerous. My God. I'm going to be attacked by some people with very funny vehicles. That's never good. Again. Huh. Do I have to go there? Oopsie. Outlook. Well, let's have a look at the outlook point here. Well, it's a nice little gorge. That might very well be the last touristy thing I am doing in Norway. There's a guy walked past, he's going swimming here. It's 6 degrees, the water. 6. Ooh. Well, it's a lovely little trail. I'm heading back to town for coffee, maybe a little lunch. I'm not sure if there's much more to update right now, but if anything comes to mind, you're the first to bear witness. Yeah, the bike was beyond repair, which was what I expected, and as the shop where I bought the bike told me, there's been multiple issues with the wheel set, so I will get a replacement set, which does not help me much right now. But there you have it. Alright, tomorrow, very late in the afternoon at 5, I will be taking the train to Oslo. Sunday I will see if I can partially go by train towards Larvik, and or maybe I have to cycle the whole 132 kilometers, which I certainly hope not, because the bike looks even worse than it was before I brought it to the cycle shop. I booked a ferry from Larvik to Hirsas, and then I'll have to sort out the trains from there to back home. So I reckon it's going to take me 6 days to get back. Whereas had I been able to cycle up to Bordalsgjelet or Trondheim, it would have only been 4, and of course added costs as well. So well, it wasn't actually on my bucket list, but let's just try and get our feet wet in this ice cold lake. I believe the temperature is set to be around 6 degrees. Ooh, that one's making quite a tumble, but that's all right. That does not seem to be the appropriate way to... Oof. Well, the fire department is coming. Did they entangle together or something? Still making noise. That was an unexpected dive, I would imagine. Well, it's cold, has to be expected, but not as cold as I imagined. Oof. I think they're alright. That was weird. I'm not sure if there's 1 or 2 persons. Okay, they're safe. Yeah, I think that's it for now. So I had a good time while it lasted, and that's the most important. And of course I can count my blessings to even be able to do this, so it's not all bad. It's just just a bit disappointed, that's all. So I hope to see you in the next video, but until then, enjoy your rides and stay safe out there. Alright, see ya, bye.